It's the girl 2 degrees no job, and we're back with part 2 of the bedroom makeover. Sit back, watch part 1, relax, and watch me work my magic. Before we get started, I want to put y'all on to a few things. The first being what the room looked like before. Here are some pictures. The first order of business was to remove this paneling, which was all over the room. And shout outs to Tony. He did a great job removing the panels. As for the color of the room, we decided on Smoky Wings by Bear. Now I want to show y'all my inspiration for the room with a mood board featuring items that I wanted to add to the room. With the mood board, I also created a blueprint. This is very important because it allows you to step back and put things into perspective. Alright, so boom. Layers are deadass sent from heaven. It's okay to layer with different kinds of textures. Like here I have leather, I have faux fur, and I've even added a shag rug. This shit is so soft. For additional lighting, I added this sconce on the wall right above the bed. This is deadass a statement piece. Every room, and I quote, every room should be tailored to the person that the room is for. And so above the bed, I also added these 3 pictures taken by my client's favorite photographers. Personalization is not always functional, but let me show you how I made this work. My client is the best graphic designer in New York. So I was like, let me add this little corner over here for him so he could get some work done, eat his food, and all that stuff. Space is incredibly limited out here, especially when you have a sneaker problem. Yes, I'm talking to you. And my next point, sneaker organization. Display your sneakers. It's aesthetically pleasing and you've practically done nothing but just organize your sneakers. Hats organization. Hats are not the easiest things to store. So what I did was I added a couple of hooks along the bookcase and I just put the hats on it. Hello. All of these things really add depth and dimension to a room. Matter of fact, because I'm feeling generous, I'm going to show you another way to personalize. Yes, I'm putting a t-shirt in a picture frame. It's your girl P here, and I'm reporting live from Brooklyn, New York. Here's what's making news. A scandal with your favorite interior designer and fellow YouTuber. This is deadass a crisis. Like, I've seen a lot of people with these ugly ass wires exposed. So I'm gonna put you on to a simple way to hide them. This is cost efficient and you could do this yourself. Just gonna talk so I can reference myself, not because I'm gonna have it up or anything. But what I'm doing here is I am running the track from the TV all straight down. When you have 2 degrees, so then I'm gonna have this go along the edges because this part right here is not gonna be showing because the dresser is gonna be there. So it's perfect. Now I'm sliding it. Wow, it's stuck.
You say it like it's a bad thing.
No, like it's really stuck. Spend your coin. I don't think you're ready for this makeover. I don't think y'all ready. I don't think y'all ready. And as always, this right here was my best project. Definitely subscribe. It's just subscribe. Like you already watch my shit. Like, and stay tuned for my next video.